All right, guys. Good day. So from in this video, I just want to quickly show you how to shorten your link um, using bit.ly, right? This is not something you should have issues with because you just need to go to bit.ly. Yeah. You are seeing this because I already have an account with them, right? I've shortened over 70 links currently. So the first thing you're going to have access to is to get registered, right? So after registering, you are going to come to this page. You are seeing this because it's like this. I would have done this from scratch, but I believe this is something that you should just be able to do yourself, right? So come to create, yeah. So and remember what we want to shorten is the affiliated ng link, right? So let's say that the link you copied is https / affiliated ng.com / maybe your username is. This is an example, right? You are supposed to go to your dashboard. I already created a video on how to copy your link. I don't want to go to that again, right? I don't want to go to that again, right? So you are supposed to go to your dashboard and copy your affiliated ng link and come to this place and paste, right? That is what you're supposed to do, but I don't want to take it from scratch, and I don't want to use my affiliate link because it is going to tell me I already have this same link created before, right? So let's say this is what I want to shorten, right? So I'll click on create. I click on create, that create button. Now it has created it for me, so I can write a title. I can say affiliated ng registration link, right? So I can, this is what I'm saying, you can customize it, right? You can edit this and say affiliated ng with, sorry, there must not be space, with false, right? So I click on save. All right, so link has been edited, so I close this, right? So I can hold on this. See what I did again? I can hold on this. This is what I just created, this affiliated ng with false. So I'll click on copy link address, right? So if I open another tab and I click on this place and I paste, you see that this is currently working. So if I go to the page, remember I just created something, right? It may not be active, right? Awesome. So but this was what I created. Remember affiliatedng.com or 29922, right? So it means that this is working. So guys, go and implement this. All right, so see you in the next video.